Hey guys, welcome back to another Spec Geek adventure. My name is Tommy, and today we are gonna be doing some work on my 2005 Toyota Sequoia. The ones on the car right now, they are currently blown. I have gone ahead and already did the driver side, and so you can see this is the stock JBL speakers. Usually there's a piece of foam that's covering this part, but it just completely fell apart. So this is the new replacement speakers that I got from Amazon. It's made by Power Base OE700. What's really nice about these speakers is they are compatible with the stock JBL system. On the Sequoia, the speakers, they require a 2 ohm speakers instead of the typical 4 ohm speakers. So if you gonna keep the stock amplifier, you need to get 2 ohm speakers instead of 4 ohms. This is what the package comes with. Obviously you have the speaker, some instructions, templates, stickers, but also the wires for the speakers and some electrical connector. I'm aware that there are refoam kit out there for these JBL speakers, but the kit still costs like 20 something, 30 bucks, and you still gotta do the work yourself. For 50 bucks or so, you might as well just get brand new speakers and avoid the hassle. Removing the door panel, it's actually pretty straightforward. There's a screw here. That's another one that's holding the door handle, as well as down here. And there should just be 2 small clips on the side here. One simple trick that I saw on the internet when you guys were removing the trim here, make sure you just stick a flathead screwdriver like so and pry it up so this part unhook, and you can just slide it out like that, because in the back there's this little prong that sticks out. It actually slots into this part. You don't want to just yank it out like that. You'll risk breaking this part. Now we can check out the speakers on the passenger side. I think this thing it's messed up too a little bit. All right, what we're gonna do is to remove the speakers, the bad speaker off of this housing. Just 4 screws. What we're gonna do next is to chop this wire up, use the electrical connector and hook this up. I'm gonna do it somewhere here. Red and black wire. I think that's the ground wire. I want to hook up to the black wire on the other end. So at this point, you notice that none of the holes line up with the housing because Toyota decided that they use different pattern for the stock speakers. So we're gonna have to use a longer screw, actually, 8x1 1/4, and make new holes basically. Line up. Okay. Make sure it's centered. The close line up with our little marking. Let's line up. And just screw in. All right, just finish up tidying up the wire, put some zip ties in the back so it's more neat and out of the way. What we're gonna do is actually put some foam in front of this speaker, like the outer perimeter of the speaker, so that it seals the speaker better, and actually you would get a little bit better oomph out of these speakers. Like, these are just your regular window seal that you can get from the home improvement stores. All right, so everything is back together. I'm very satisfied with the speaker's replacement. Turned out my driver's side speaker was blown, and straight up on the passenger side, it had no sound. So that's why the sound system before I replaced the speaker sounded terrible. There was like literally no sound. So fix all that. Very happy with it. I hope the video is helpful to you guys if you want to replace the speakers on your Sequoia with the JBL system. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more Spec adventure. Bye.